The fascinating history of crochet, from ancient times to modern day. In this video, we dive deep into the rich history of crochet, exploring how this ancient craft has evolved over time and become a beloved pastime for millions of people around the world. You can begin your crochet journey early in life and crochet your entire life. No matter what your age, you can always start crocheting at any stage of life. Welcome to our video on the history of crochet. Did you know that this popular craft has been around for centuries, dating back to ancient times? In fact, crochet has a rich and fascinating history that has evolved over time, and in this video, we're going to take a closer look at how it all began. Crochet, which is French for hook, is believed to have originated in Arabia around the 12th century. It's thought that Muslim men and women used crochet to create delicate lace edgings for their garments and accessories. As the craft spread across Europe in the 16th and 17th centuries, it became increasingly popular with the upper classes, who used it to adorn their clothing and home decor. Crocheting never goes out of style, and new patterns are being created on a daily basis from experienced crocheters. By the 19th century, crochet had become more accessible to the masses, thanks to the invention of the crochet hook and the availability of affordable yarn. Women, in particular, embraced the craft, using it to make everything from clothing and hats to baby blankets and home furnishings. In the early 20th century, crochet even became a form of activism, with suffragettes using it to make banners and other items for their rallies. Today, we have a variety of yarn choices to crochet, and men, women, teens and kids are learning the craft. Today, crochet remains a popular pastime around the world, with millions of people enjoying the craft for its therapeutic benefits, creative expression, and social connections. From amigurumi to afghans, crochet has evolved into a wide variety of styles and techniques, with many modern-day artists pushing the boundaries of what's possible with yarn and a hook. So there you have it, a brief history of crochet. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this fascinating craft and its evolution over time. If you're a crocheter yourself, we'd love to hear about your favorite projects or techniques in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy hooking! Thanks for watching. You can learn more about crochet from online tutorials, books and bloggers who crochet. Take a look at some of our suggestions below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to your channel. Happy crocheting!